Everybody knows that social media is full of very valuable data. The problem is a lot of people don't know how to access that data. What we do is we help you filter down by location and by keyword so that you can find what really matters to you and your bottom line. Echosec is doing social discovery in a completely unique way. This view on the world can do incredible things for your brand. You can do things like find influencers, identify hyperlocal trends, find user-generated content for your next campaign, and build highly targeted social media audiences so you can be sure your message is getting to the right people.
One of the coolest things is that every year we make sure that everything, works like it's supposed to on Black Friday. People think it's about the sale, but it's the whole experience of going to it, right? And the fact that every year they're like, whenever something goes wrong, we can react to it quickly, and whenever anyone has sort of a good experience, we can, engage with them and be like, great, glad you enjoyed this sale.
When you understand how people are actually talking about your brand, you increase conversion, you increase engagement, and you grow your business.